You may not realize it, but the universe has a way of responding to you, often in ways you've never expected. You've heard of the law of attraction, but what if I told you there's more to it? What if I said that the things you desire, the things you've worked for, or the things that you have simply hoped for, are already on their way to you? The universe is always listening, waiting for you to become aware of what is rightfully yours. It works in mysterious ways, but you can trust that it will always repay you. The first step in understanding this is to know that the universe responds to the energy you put out into it. It's not just about what you say or think, it's about what you feel. Your emotions are powerful indicators of your energy, and the way you feel influences the kind of experiences that will come into your life. Have you ever noticed how when you're in a bad mood, things seem to go wrong? On the other hand, when you're feeling happy or positive, opportunities seem to open up. This is not just a coincidence. It's the universe responding to the energy you're emitting. Now, think about the desires you hold deep inside your heart. Perhaps you've been asking for a new job, a better relationship, or financial abundance. You may have felt that your efforts were in vain, or that you were stuck in a cycle of waiting. But let me tell you this, the universe has heard your requests, and it's already working behind the scenes to bring them to you. You might not see the results immediately, and that's perfectly fine. Sometimes, the universe needs time to rearrange circumstances, people, and situations to align with what you've asked for. And trust me, it will. But how do you know it's on its way? The key is in your belief. You must have a deep-rooted belief that what you've asked for is coming. Doubt is the enemy here. When you doubt, you send out a message to the universe that you're not sure if it can deliver, and that weakens the manifestation process. Believe, without a shadow of a doubt, that what you want is coming to you. The universe doesn't work based on your doubts, it works based on your unwavering belief. Think about it this way, imagine you've ordered something online. You've paid for it, and you trust that the package will arrive. Even if you don't know the exact time it will be delivered, you know it's on its way. This is how you need to approach your desires. You've set your intention, and now it's about trusting that the universe is delivering exactly what you've asked for in the most surprising ways. Sometimes, the universe will surprise you with the way things show up. You might be expecting one outcome, and then something completely different happens, but it turns out to be even better. You may be looking for a job and get an offer for a position you didn't even know existed, one that offers more than you could have imagined. Or maybe you're seeking love, and out of nowhere, a connection forms in a place you never thought to look. This is how the universe works, it doesn't always deliver in the ways you expect, but it will always give you what you need in the right moment. When you let go of the need to control the outcome, when you stop worrying about how things will happen, you create the space for miracles to unfold. You might not have all the answers now, but you don't need them. Trust that the universe knows exactly how to deliver what you need, and it will do so in perfect timing. There are times when the universe's plan seems unclear, when things might not be going the way you thought they would. These moments are not setbacks, they are part of the process. Every setback is a setup for something greater. Every door that closes is a sign that something better is waiting for you. The universe has a way of moving you out of situations that no longer serve your growth and into experiences that align with your highest good. One important thing to remind is that the universe doesn't just deliver on big requests. Sometimes, the little things, the ones that might seem insignificant to others, are the most profound. A random conversation with a stranger, a moment of kindness from someone unexpected, a seemingly chance encounter, these are often the ways the universe shows up for you, setting things in motion for what's to come. Have you ever experienced a moment where everything just clicked into place? Where one thing led to another in a perfect chain of events? That's the universe working behind the scenes. It's not magic, but it's something even more powerful, it's the law of attraction at work. It's the energy you put out into the world coming back to you in the form of unexpected blessings. Let's not forget that gratitude is a powerful tool in this process. The more grateful you are for the things you already have, the more you open yourself to receive even more. Gratitude sends a message to the universe that you appreciate what's coming, and it helps to increase the flow of good things into your life. When you focus on the good, the universe amplifies it. And when you are grateful for the smallest blessings, you make room for even greater ones to arrive. So, what can you do to speed up this process, to get the universe to repay you faster? First, stay present. Live in the moment and trust that everything is happening for a reason. Second, keep your vibration high by thinking positive thoughts, surrounding yourself with people who uplift you, and doing things that make you feel good. When you feel good, you attract good. Third, let go of attachment to how and when things will happen. Surrender to the flow and trust that the universe is working in your favor. The universe isn't just going to repay you with material things. It may repay you with experiences, lessons, and opportunities that help you grow and expand into the person you are meant to become. Your journey is not just about what you acquire, but also about who you become along the way. Sometimes, the biggest blessings come in the form of personal growth, new perspectives, and an awakened sense of self. This is just as valuable, if not more so, than any material possession. If you've been waiting for the universe to repay you, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on everything that has already come into your life. Recognize the abundance you've experienced so far, even in the small things. The more you appreciate what you already have, the more the universe will give you. It's all about the energy you bring into each moment. And most importantly, never stop believing in the possibilities. The universe works in ways that go beyond your understanding. It has the power to bring your desires to life, and it will do so in ways that will surprise and delight you. Trust the process, stay open, and allow the universe to work its magic. In this process, timing is everything. You may be feeling as though your desire is taking too long to manifest, but the truth is, timing is one of the universe's most important aspects. If things were handed to you too quickly, would you truly be ready for them? Would you have the maturity, wisdom, or understanding to fully appreciate and make the most of what has come into your life? The universe knows that sometimes, it needs to prepare you for the blessings it is sending your way. It's not that the universe is withholding, it's that the right time will come when everything is aligned, and you are ready to receive. And sometimes, the greatest lessons come from the waiting process itself. It's easy to feel impatient, to think that time is running out, or that things should be moving faster. But what if the universe is teaching you patience, trust, and a deeper understanding of your own power in the meantime? The waiting period is not a time of inactivity, it's a time of preparation. Each moment of waiting is building the foundation for the eventual arrival of what you desire. To sum it up, if you've been asking, the universe is listening. It may not come in the exact way you expect, but it will come. The universe always repays you, and it's doing so right now. Your desires are on their way, trust that they will manifest in ways you can't yet imagine. Just believe, stay open, and watch as everything begins to align perfectly in your life. So, let go of doubt. Let go of the fear of not receiving. Your abundance is on its way, and it will come in ways that will leave you in awe. Trust the process, and know that the universe will always repay you. It's coming.